All right, this is Nathan and Adam for Don Ruba's class, Digital Circuits. And we picked the one-shot multi-vibrator circuit with up to 2.2 seconds of an output pulse. So over here, we got our circuit. Here's our 555 timer. And our pin 1, which would be our ground. We got going to our ground. We got a push button going to pin 2. And then coming out, we got a 1K ohm resistor going to 5 volts DC. Now pin 3, our output, we have a 390 ohm resistor going to an LED, which is then going to ground. And then up here, so our pin 8, which is our power supply, we have 5 volts DC coming down. And over here we have 22K ohms for our 2.2 seconds of our output pulse. We have that going across, hitting pin 6, and going across to pin 7, which will then go to a 100 microfarad capacitor, which then goes to ground. And our pin 4, which is our reset, we got 5 volts DC coming down and hitting the pin. And Adam here will walk you through the calculations.
So to figure out what ohms we needed for our circuit, we knew that we needed 2.2 seconds, and we were going to use a 100 microfarad capacitor. So we take the 100 microfarads and cancel that out and bring it over to below the 2.2 and divide by the 100, and we'll get the 22,000 ohms. For the charging, for just one second, we have 1.8 volts, and at 5 seconds we should have 4.485 volts. And now for the actual circuit, here, as you can see, we didn't have a whole 22K actual resistor, so we had to use multiples. We have them in series to get the resistance up. We have our cap, and here's our push button, so when we hit it, the light will stay on for 2.2 seconds and then turn off.
One person does this, pretty much this, and then the other person can do all this.
And that's our circuit.
Like, explain.